Hello guys, we are going to Balneary. We are going to spa.
Yeah.
We are going to check and
thermal
see.
center, no?
Yes, we are going to see the thermal center, hot springs. So let's go and see what do they offer. And
And we are going there tomorrow.
Likely.
yes. So we are now guys here at the thermal,
Hot spring center, no?
yeah,
Yang
thermal
restaurant também
hot
aqui.
spring center.
Refugio. Mira, mira que estas caras son de 11 muy.
Hello everyone, so this is the hotel and it has 4 stars. The name of this hotel is Grand Hotel and they have the spas. So the style is French style guys. Look, high windows, high ceilings, and this is the surroundings. And look at this yellow house that is quite old already guys. This is the surrounding here guys, and they have casino here. OMG. So the guy says that the glass windows, that is where the spa is. So this is the view guys, and many people coming here guys because of the spa, the thermal hot spring. Okay guys, so let's enter and let's go and ask. Hello guys, so I couldn't take video guys inside of the thermal because they don't allow, and we got the reservation for me and Hailey. Yes, tomorrow guys at 3 p.m. and yeah, only me and Hailey because you know Lakota is not allowed because she's only 2 years old, and they said that it's not good for her because she's too young. That is why maybe next time after some months then she is allowed to go. So yeah, and we are now here guys at this like a lake. Let's see. And let's see. We'll show you.
Ah, sí, tú.
Potser s'ha fet mal.
No, la tot el mes. El mateix peu.
And this is a lake,
Tira, tira, va, tira.
a reservoir.
Hola.
And the water is so clear. Yes. My husband is showing Hailey how to throw a stone with and bounce. I know also how to. Yeah. Hailey. Okay guys, so let's go out and have dinner outside. They are all ready. Yeah? And Lakota just finished her food and she's going to eat dessert later with us. Kain na tayo guys. I have this. And now we are going to the apartment and we are going to eat something very fast because Hailey and I have appointment. Yes, we have spa appointment and yes, hopefully we arrive on time.
The time
Yes,
is
because it's 1:55 already and at 3 p.m. is our time.